Today, we're celebrating something that we don't see very often, and that's a customer, one of our most loyal, who's picking up their 8th Travato.
Yeah, I've experienced owners on many different levels. But Greg is, and the Winnebago customer in general, is more passionate and more willing to give the feedback to help us improve the product. And Greg is kind of the spearhead of that.
He always pushed us hard on efficiency of storage. He also called out a lighting situation in the left rear corner of the coach where the service station was. And so we added a light there, which has affectionately become known as the Greg Schultz dump light, or GSDL.
So one of the things we're really looking forward to yet this afternoon is being able to see Greg and Donna take possession, get the keys. You know, it's something that usually goes through a dealership. So for them to be able to come here to the factory and have the whole team be part of the delivery is really exciting.
It's always an honor to welcome Greg and Donna Schultz to the Winnebago factory here in Forest City. Today they're here to pick up their 8th, count them, 8th Travato.
Absolutely.
I guess first order of business, Greg. Take care of that little loyalty card there. There you
Loyalty card's updated, yay.
Yay.
Okay.
And to keep with the tradition, we have your number 8.0 to go on the side of your van.
Fantastic.
and your new 2025 number 8.0 Travato.
Good driving. Thank you, Rob.
The level of importance of the customer to Winnebago, that is the driving factor of how we design our products. The goal is to continually improve the products on what they need and what they want. Favorite part of my job is going on the rallies and being able to camp with the users, because you get to know them, how they use it, what they like. They're able to see what we're designing and working on and give the direct feedback to make sure it's something that works for them.
We go to many meetups, and Winnebago has always had a presence at most of our meetups. And throughout that time, not only do they ask us about how you use it and what can we do to make the product better, but they ask all the people.
And they're receptive, and whether they actually make the change or not really doesn't matter. Just the fact that they listen is really, it's unique. I've never dealt with a company that had as many employees who were actively listening to the customer.
I'm often asked about which van or such is my favorite, and honestly, it's always been the next one.
Really happy to be here to celebrate Greg's taking possession of his 8th Travato. Very much looking forward to surprising him with what number 9 is going to hold for him.